Hello everyone, and welcome back to our SecurityX course. In this session, we'll explore several key components essential for implementing zero trust in your system architecture: continuous authorization, network architecture, security boundaries, and deperimeterization. Let's begin with continuous authorization. Unlike traditional models that grant access based on a one-time verification, continuous authorization ensures that access rights are constantly evaluated and adjusted based on real-time context and user behavior. For example, if an employee's role changes or if they attempt to access resources from an unusual location, continuous authorization can automatically adjust their permissions or trigger additional authentication steps. Moving on to network architecture, which is foundational to zero trust implementation. A well-designed network architecture under zero trust principles emphasizes segmentation, VPN, and always-on VPN. Segmentation involves dividing the network into smaller, isolated segments or zones. By doing so, you limit the lateral movement of threats within the network. For instance, sensitive data can be housed in a separate segment with stricter access controls, ensuring that even if one segment is compromised, the attacker cannot easily access other parts of the network. Next is the VPN, or Virtual Private Network. In a zero-trust model, VPNs are essential for providing secure remote access to the network. However, traditional VPNs often grant broad access once a connection is established, which can be a security risk. This is where always-on VPN comes into play. An always-on VPN ensures that all network traffic is automatically encrypted and routed through the VPN, regardless of the user's location or device. This continuous protection helps prevent unauthorized access and ensures that data remains secure even when users are accessing the network from remote or public locations. Now, let's discuss security boundaries, which define the limits of security controls within the network. Establishing clear security boundaries is crucial for enforcing zero trust principles and ensuring that sensitive data is adequately protected. Data perimeters. Data perimeters are logical boundaries that separate sensitive data from the rest of the network. By defining these perimeters, organizations can apply stricter access controls and monitoring to protect critical information. For example, financial data can be isolated within a secure perimeter, accessible only to authorized personnel who require it for their roles. Secure zones. Secure zones are designated areas within the network that have enhanced security measures in place. These zones are typically reserved for high-value assets or critical infrastructure components. Moving further, deperimeterization is a core zero-trust concept that involves removing the traditional network boundaries and embracing a more flexible, cloud-centric approach to security. One of the key technologies enabling deperimeterization is the software-defined wide area network. SD-WAN optimizes the performance and reliability of WAN connections by intelligently routing traffic based on real-time conditions and business policies. This flexibility allows organizations to prioritize critical applications and ensure that security controls are consistently applied across all network segments, regardless of their location. Lastly, software-defined networking offers enhanced control and visibility over the entire network infrastructure. SDN separates the control plane from the data plane, allowing administrators to programmatically manage and configure network resources. This level of automation and flexibility is essential for implementing zero trust principles, as it enables precise control over traffic flows, rapid response to security incidents, and seamless integration of security policies across the network. By thoughtfully implementing these zero trust principles, organizations can create a robust security posture that not only defends against a wide range of threats, but also maintains the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of critical assets. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time.